Welcome to Long Creek Homestead. We are a 25-acre research and educational center in the Blue Ridge Mountains near Frederick, Maryland. Come on everybody, come check out our circular Stawbale home. Our circular house is built with round wood timber framing. That means that we kept all of our columns and all of our rafters in the round and did the joinery round to round. Almost all of the wood in the house is wind fallen. Most of it is poplar, some cherry and a little bit of locust. Even the decking up here is sawmilled on site. It is 2 and 3 inches thick to hold up the weight of the living roof on top. The hot air is pulled out, the cool air comes in, and it naturally cools the house. That combined with the soil and the plants on the roof blocking heat from coming in, thick straw bale walls, our house stays cool in the summer without air conditioning. This is a masonry stove that with one armful of wood heats our entire home. It's efficient in combusting the gases, radiating the heat out slowly. With our thick straw bale walls and earthen mass floors, this keeps us warm all winter long.
This is our truce window.
So our straw bales on the interior of our house are earthen plasters. This is a light colored earthen plaster using white clays and the magic ingredient of toilet paper, mixed with sand and light straw. This is about 2 inches thick over the straw bales. The plaster also absorbs excess humidity in the summertime and balances the way the house feels. And in the wintertime, absorbs and holds extra energy while allowing the straw bales to breathe out any ambient moisture. And they're beautiful. So all the floors in our home are earthen floors. That means that they are made up of a clay soil, sand, and straw. Ours are actually 7 inches thick. We did 3 layers. The first base layer was a little more rough with the earthen and the sand and the straw mix. The second layer a little more refined, and the very top layer, we sifted all the ingredients and we troweled it smooth. Once it dried, we put a linseed oil on it that absorbed into the top 1/4 to 1/2 inch, and it hardens the floor to where it acts as strong as a wooden floor, a hardwood floor. Water can be spilled on it, a lot of action can happen, and it stays beautiful.